This video will show you how to do a recording offline on the Leightronix WinLGX system. First, go to your main window icon and click on WinLGX. You'll get a login screen. Put in your username and password. It should be provided by the administrator. After you enter the password, hit the Connect button. The window will now change to something that looks like this, with a schedule and devices on the right. The first thing you need to find is the control panel. It's an icon at the top, and it should have a drop-down control panel when you mouse over it. Click on that control panel button, and you'll get another screen and window that shows devices. Look for the one that does the recordings for your system. In this case, we call it Boardroom. After you've selected that, in the center of that window, place a unique file name that you'll use to name the file you record. Then hit the MPEG ingest button on the far right top corner of the window, and that will allow you to start the process of recording. The first step is to indicate how long you think you'll record. It's best to put a high number, in this case 2 hours. Then, when you're ready to record, hit the single red circle button, the record destination button. That will start the recording, and you'll see the timer increment near the top of the screen. When you're done with the recording, hit the single blue box Stop Destination button, and that will end the recording. You'll see a library window pop up. Hit OK, and close any window that was started by the control panel. In order to verify that you have in fact recorded a file, you'll need to go to the File Management System. It is an icon at the top, and when you click on it, you'll see a file list on the right. Hit the Modified column in order to see the most recent file recorded. There you see a file number 1 and the date. You can then close that window and hit File Exit to end your session.